Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how you can clear your Facebook history. Write if my solution helped you, and if you managed to do it on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Getting started. To do this, we need to open Facebook on our iPhone. In the bottom right corner, open the menu. In the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Find Activity Log. Next here, we need to click Activity across Facebook. Comments and Reactions, and click on Likes and Reactions. Here we can see all the activities we've ever done. We may have liked a post. We can click on these three bars and see if we want to delete this history. Select it and click Remove. In order to clear the history of our browser completely, it is Facebook. Then we need to write with you when we went to the bottom. And here we close this tab. Scroll down. Click on Logged Information. This is where the history opens up. Click here, and click on your search history. Then we select something here. I click on the three bars. Click Delete, and again Delete. After that, choose something else. Click Delete and Delete. Thus, we were able to clear the history of Facebook on iPhone or iPad. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, put likes, and also if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.